So they're asking me to look at a reach-in freezer. Look at this condenser, it's just hammered. You open up in here, you can hear the thing's low on refrigerant. I can also tell that the evaporator fan motor is going bad because it's not moving as fast as it should. It's one of those true things. It's got an aftermarket temperature controller. Both the doors are bad because they don't shut on their own. And when you slam one, the other one pops open. That's no good. And then, yeah, refrigerant pressures are extremely low. It's about 78 degrees in this kitchen right now. So we're gonna add some refrigerant. There's nothing I could do about that condenser. It's too brittle. I'm gonna try my best to clean it. So I just kind of have it tilted over a pan. Some condenser coil cleaner on there. And the backside too. This is really polishing a turd right now. So just doing my best to cool it off. Try not to get it into the time clock section. I can't really pull the other box out to unplug it, so I'm just kind of doing this on the fly while it's in defrost. Okay, I cleaned it up as best as possible. It's still just hammered. I tried straightening it, but it's too hammered to do it, straighten it anymore. My head pressure is a lot better. My vapor, my saturation temperature is really low because my evaporator fan motor is spinning too slowly. Again, I don't want to dump a bunch of money into this. I just want to kind of half-ass get it running, so that way I can give them a big picture quote and then they can make a decision. So far, we need bottom and top doors. We need condenser, but I'll just change the whole condensing unit because this thing's hammered. It's missing all the crap around it. The temperature controller's wrong on the box. The drain pan nipple's busted. Yeah, this thing's just hammered. The front cover right here is completely missing, and so along with that is the switch, the door switch. The wiring hardware for the door switch is missing. This thing is just hammered. Doing an emergency leak repair. They're replacing this box, but they just need it running temporarily. I knew there was a leak in the line set somewhere, so I just cut out the back temporarily real quick. They don't really care, and it's right here on the cap tube, the pinhole. So we'll see if we can't repair it temporarily again. Like I said, this is not a normal fix. Normally I just run a new line set on the inside of the box. This is a true stand-up freezer. Customer just needs 4 weeks because they've already ordered a new unit. Everybody's got a little hack in them, right? God, I haven't done something like this before. Again, this is only a temporary repair. I just didn't feel like cutting the whole box and running a whole new capillary tube. This is not perfect. Yes, it's gonna flash right here, but yeah, it'll get them going. Like I said, they've already ordered a new unit. What happened was the manufacturer doesn't have any of them in stock or where their distributor's at, and it's going to be 4 weeks to get the left-hand hinge box, and they want to go back with one of these. So they've already ordered it, but they just wanted me to do whatever I could do to get it operational. So this is what I came up with. So now I'm going to pressure test it, make sure it holds. I'm doing a purge on the system, so I've opened it on the high side, letting it push through the capillary tubes, making sure they're clear. There's no obstructions in the cap tubes now. Making sure it comes out of here. Then we put it on. This is nitrogen. And then we're gonna pressure test the system. Look at how hammered this unit is. Can't get over that. Doing a pressure test. I'm going way over what I should be putting in there too. The design pressure of the unit isn't that high for the low side, but. Okay, so this was a service call with my new customer that I've made a bunch of videos about where everything is just destroyed. Reach-in freezer not working. I found tons of stuff wrong with it. Okay, bad doors, limit switches bypassed, wrong temperature controller, condenser cover missing, condenser hammered, refrigerant leak. It's just destroyed. Okay. My recommendation to the customer was replace this box. I didn't even give them a quote to fix it. I just told them this cannot be fixed. It's time to replace. They agreed with me. They trust me. They ordered a new box. He called me back about 2 days later, said, dude, I cannot get that box for 4 weeks.
We need an operating freezer. So I went back out there and just got the unit going. Okay, this is not a normal repair. There's nothing correct about the way that I repaired that. You don't ever cut a cap tube, okay? The 1/4 inch line that I put in between the cut, that's a flash point where it's gonna flash and then try to go back to, it's just a disaster, okay? But it got them operational. The unit is operating temporarily. The customer was extremely happy and thankful. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Okay, everybody's got a little hack in them, like I said. All right, that's it, guys. Consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Appreciate your guys' feedback. Okay.